Welcome, crypto enthusiasts! In this video, we'll delve into the exciting world of Gala Games and explore why some experts believe its native token, Gala, could soar to $1 before the year's end. From utility to community support, we'll dissect the factors driving Gala's potential meteoric rise. Utility, the backbone of Gala. Gala stands as more than just a digital token within the Gala Games ecosystem. It serves as the cornerstone of a thriving gaming economy. Through Gala, gamers gain access to a myriad of in-game functionalities, from purchasing items to acquiring virtual land. This inherent utility transforms Gala from a mere speculative asset into a vital component of the gaming experience. As players immerse themselves in Gala Games titles, they utilize Gala to enhance their gameplay, driving demand for the token. Moreover, Gala facilitates play-to-earn opportunities, revolutionizing the traditional gaming landscape. By engaging with Gala Games titles, players can earn Gala as rewards for their participation and achievements within the virtual realms. This innovative model not only incentivizes gameplay but also creates a dynamic ecosystem where players can monetize their gaming experiences. As more gamers recognize the potential for earning Gala through play, the demand for the token is poised to surge. As Gala Games continues to expand its platform and introduce new titles, the utility of Gala extends even further. With each new game launch, Gala gains additional use cases and avenues for utility within the ecosystem. Whether it's purchasing exclusive in-game assets, securing prime virtual real estate, or participating in decentralized governance mechanisms, Gala remains at the heart of Gala Games' ever-growing universe. This expansion of utility further solidifies Gala's position as an indispensable asset within the gaming economy. Looking ahead, the anticipated growth of Gala Games' platform translates into a corresponding increase in demand for Gala. As the gaming community embraces Gala Games' offerings and discovers the myriad possibilities enabled by Gala, the token's value is expected to appreciate significantly. Gala's integral role within the Gala Games ecosystem, coupled with its expanding utility and play-to-earn opportunities, positions it as a valuable asset poised for sustained growth and adoption within the gaming and cryptocurrency realms. Community support, the power of passion. The community surrounding Gala Games is a dynamic and enthusiastic ecosystem that includes gamers, developers, and investors united by their passion for the platform. This diverse community actively contributes to the growth and development of Gala Games through their engagement and support. Whether it's participating in gaming events, providing feedback on new releases, or creating content to promote the platform, members of the Gala Games community play an integral role in shaping its trajectory. One of the key strengths of the Gala Games community is its genuine enthusiasm and dedication to the platform. Unlike many other gaming communities, Gala Games supporters are deeply invested in the success of the platform, often going above and beyond to contribute to its growth. This fervent support not only fosters a sense of camaraderie among community members but also serves as a powerful driving force behind Gala Games' expansion and evolution. Furthermore, the Gala Games community is highly active across various social media channels, leveraging platforms like Twitter, Discord, and Reddit to connect with fellow enthusiasts, share news and updates, and organize community events. This robust online presence not only helps to amplify Gala Games' reach but also facilitates ongoing dialogue between community members and the Gala Games team, fostering transparency and trust within the ecosystem. As the Gala Games community continues to grow and evolve, its impact on the value of Gala becomes increasingly evident. The collective efforts of community members to promote the platform, attract new users, and advocate for its success contribute to Gala's rising prominence within the cryptocurrency space. Moreover, as more individuals become involved in the Gala Games ecosystem, the demand for Gala is likely to increase, driving its value higher and further solidifying its position as a valuable digital asset. NFT Integration, pioneering innovation. Gala Games isn't just about gaming, it's pioneering the integration of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, into its ecosystem, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital world. NFTs represent ownership of unique digital assets, and Gala Games leverages this technology to offer users unprecedented opportunities. Whether it's acquiring rare in-game items, securing virtual real estate, or owning exclusive digital artwork, Gala Games' NFT-based offerings provide users with tangible and valuable digital assets. The platform's embrace of NFTs goes beyond mere novelty. It represents a fundamental shift in how digital ownership is perceived and valued. By tokenizing digital assets as NFTs, Gala Games enables users to truly own and control their virtual possessions, fostering a sense of ownership and authenticity within the gaming experience. This innovative approach not only enhances the user experience but also opens up new avenues for monetization and investment within the Gala Games ecosystem. As the mainstream adoption of NFTs continues to grow, Gala Games' forward-thinking approach positions it at the forefront of this burgeoning industry. By seamlessly integrating NFTs into its platform, Gala Games taps into a rapidly expanding market of collectors, gamers, and investors seeking unique digital assets. This alignment with broader industry trends enhances Gala's appeal as a desirable asset, attracting attention from both cryptocurrency enthusiasts and traditional investors looking to capitalize on the growing popularity of NFTs. Ultimately, Gala Games' innovative use of NFTs serves to further bolster Gala's value and appeal to investors. As the platform continues to expand its NFT offerings and attract new users, the demand for Gala is likely to increase, driving its price higher and solidifying its position as a valuable digital asset. With Gala Games leading the charge in the NFT revolution, Gala stands poised to benefit from the widespread adoption of this transformative technology, offering investors a unique opportunity to participate in the future of digital ownership. Market momentum, riding the waves. Despite the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market, Gala has exhibited impressive and sustained growth in recent months, outpacing many other digital assets. This growth can be attributed to several factors, including increasing adoption of the Gala Games platform, growing demand for Gala's utility within the gaming ecosystem, and heightened investor interest in the project's long-term potential. As Gala continues to attract attention from both gamers and investors, its price trajectory reflects the growing confidence in its value proposition and future prospects. Furthermore, Gala's upward trajectory is further bolstered by the recent surge in Bitcoin, the market-leading cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's climb to $72,000, with predictions of reaching $100,000, indicates a broader bullish sentiment within the cryptocurrency market. As one of the top digital assets, Bitcoin's movements often influence the market as a whole, including altcoins like Gala. Therefore, the positive momentum generated by Bitcoin's surge could potentially spill over to Gala, driving further price appreciation and reinforcing its position as a promising investment opportunity in the crypto space. Gala Games and its native token, Gala, are poised for unprecedented growth. With its integral utility, passionate community support, innovative NFT integration, and favorable market momentum, Gala's path to $1 before the year's end seems increasingly plausible. Stay informed, buckle up, and prepare for an exhilarating journey ahead in the world of Gala Games and cryptocurrency investing. At last, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video.